Welcome back. Now this is like another piece. I think we solved the orange. Now we look at this piece. It is having a blue, red and white, and blue is there, red is here and white is here. So this piece should come here, but this is in the wrong place. So what we do is we just move it down with an R prime, D prime, R, D. So this way you're not doing anything, you're just bringing it down. And why we do it back? Because we don't want to disturb this space. So that's why we did this. Now we have done this, and then move it down and then move it to the place where it should be. This is a blue, red and white. Red, blue and white. So this is supposed to be here. You have taken it at the right place. So you bring it to the pivotal position. Okay. So this pivotal position will tell you where you want to move. Again, this is facing you. You have another one more easier way of doing it, like what I said previously. D dash or D prime, R dash or R prime. Let me use prime going forward. Okay, D prime, R prime, D, R. And now you see this is aligned. You can make a continuous red to red, blue to blue and white to white. And you should also see that the green that we did earlier is not disturbed. It is in the same place. Okay. So that will make sure that you are done it, and these two are not yet fixed. So let's look for the, now you see this is green, red and white, and this has to be moved to the place where green and red are there. Red is here, green is here, so move it to this place. This position, pivotal position, is where we need to bring, because green is matching, red is matching and white is matching. Now you will see this white is not facing you, it is rather facing to the right. If this is the case, you go to the second algorithm. The second algorithm is, first you did an D prime, R prime. It is just the reverse. You do an R prime, D prime, R, D. When it faces you, you did the D prime, R prime, D, R. Here it is R prime. I'll just show it one more time. See, it faces you. You do a D prime, R prime, D, R. Right? This is how it is. If it faces to the right, let's assume this. Okay, I'll go to the next step. So here you see this, it is blue, orange and white. And that is the only unsolved piece now. Orange, blue and white. Right? So let's take it here to this place. Now it's facing to the right. If it faces to the right, you will have to do the reverse of the algorithm, which is R prime, D prime, R, D. And see, now you have solved this first layer. And keep in mind, when you solve this first layer, the centers should still align. If the centers are not aligning, no matter what you do, you will not solve the problem. So this is something, as I said, I did not realize, and I was spending time without aligning the center. I was keeping something like this, and then I was going forward. It was not working. So should always align the centers. Now you have solved the first layer. Thank you.